Hey everyone, I'm diving into a topic that's not only pivotal but also packed with tension and controversy. Today, we're talking about the 2023 Zimbabwean elections, a scenario that's left citizens and observers worldwide on edge. Imagine you're in Zimbabwe, eager to cast your vote, hoping for change or stability. But what you face is a myriad of irregularities that cast shadows on the very essence of democracy. The elections saw the same key contenders as the previous cycle, but this time, the atmosphere was thick with economic woes and a noticeable decay in social services. The incumbent President Emerson Mnangagwa claimed victory again, amidst accusations and clear signs of an election that, frankly, fell short of international standards. Observers from around the globe, including the European Union and the Carter Center, pointed out glaring issues. We're talking about voters' names missing from rolls, biased media coverage, and downright intimidation at polling stations. It's not just a flawed election, it's an environment that breeds fear and skepticism among the electorate. Now, the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, has a crucial role here. They've observed, they've reported, but the big question remains, will they step in decisively? There's talk of power sharing or even pushing for fresh elections, but nothing concrete has emerged. Mildred Muchenja, a young voter I read about, waited over 12 hours just to cast her vote because of ballot delays. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a blatant derailment of the democratic process. This situation isn't just about Zimbabwe, it's a reflection of broader issues affecting electoral integrity in numerous regions around the world. How international bodies respond to such crises speaks volumes about their commitment to global democratic standards. So, what's next for Zimbabwe? Will the voices of the electorate be heard, or will the cycle of disputed elections continue to spin? The international community, especially bodies like SADC, have a heavyweight role, and their next steps could redefine the future of democracy in Southern Africa. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to engage in the comments below and share your thoughts. Are international bodies doing enough to uphold democracy, or is there a different path you see unfolding? Let's discuss. Catch you in the next video. Stay informed, stay engaged.